So, what spreadsheets are, or at least what I kind of think they are, what I've sort of gathered, I don't know what I'm saying, sorry, um, is they're programs that can be used to input functions and numerical data that will produce an output of some sort. That output uh, is often numerical, but it can also do things like on the TED Talk that we watched yesterday with the art program, it can be used to produce other things such as that. And such as in the world of game design, it can do things such as automate damage output and character defense and things like that. I remember the D&D randomizer. It can be used to calculate stats or randomize them. Why do they exist? They exist kind of to automate a lot of the processes. I suppose technically we could be doing a lot of it by hand, but it definitely would likely take longer and not be as efficient. Spreadsheets help us automate the process, or they can be used for creative tools, such as in game design and art and general technology fields. They can also be used to double check what we've already calculated, such as in the field of sciences. I'm a natural resource conservation major. Gathering population data can be used to double check our work or see if there are any errors. It can calculate standard error. So far, my experience with them has mostly been in my classes. I haven't had a chance to utilize it outside of my classes or out in the field. If I was to start utilizing it recreationally, it would probably be in game design as kind of a basic system to automate stats and stuff. I'd like to learn how to do that. I didn't know Excel could be a foundation for that. But apart from that, my experience has been in chemistry and my labs where we're required to put out a graph from our data, and that is my experience.